Hello, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we want to solve this problem which says this simultaneous equations. We have two equations and they are in index, which means they have power. The unknown are powers. So now let us get into it. The first thing is to express this equation 1 and equation 2 of the same base, such that we have the same base, and then from there we can now attend to the power. Now, what we're going to do is 4 raised to power x. We can rewrite it to become 2 raised to power 2x multiply by 2 raised to power y equals, we have 256. 256 can be is 2 raised to power 8. So let us say this is still our equation 1. We've been able to rewrite it. And the second one, this is 81. We can write it in base of 3. So that is 3 raised to the power of 4, give us 81. So 3 raised to the power 4x divides, this is 27, and that is 3 raised to the power of 3y equals 729. We can still express it in power of 3, and that is 3 raised to the power of 6. So this is the question 2. Now the base are the same, so we can then, the division of this gives us this, the multiplication of this gives us this. But before we go to that, let us combine them together using our laws of indices. We have 2 raised to the power of 2x plus y equals 2 raised to the power 8. And this becomes 3 raised to the power of 4x minus 3y equals 3 raised to the power of 6. So this equals this and this equals this. Then we can now say, since the base are the same, then the powers are also the same. So from here we have 2x plus y equals 8, and the 4x minus 3y equals 6. So we can then solve these two equations simultaneously using elimination method, using substitution method, and whatever method that we think it is convenient. Now, for the purpose of this class, I'm going to be using elimination method. So let us eliminate x and we solve for y. So now do we do that? We multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2. And we multiply the equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1, so that we can have the same coefficient for the two equations, and so that we can eliminate. So we use 4 to multiply through for equation 1, and that gives us 8x plus 4y equals 32. And this equation 2 becomes, if we use 2 to multiply, becomes 8x minus 6y equals 12. So let us subtract. So 8x minus 8x, that goes. 4y minus 6y, that becomes 10y equals 32 minus 12, and that becomes 20. So from here, our y equals 20 divided by 10, and that gives us 2. So we can then go back and substitute for y in any of these equations. So let us substitute for y in equation 1. So therefore we have 2x plus 2 equals 8, and 2x equals 8 minus 2. 2x equals 6, and x equals 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So in final analysis, our x equals 3 and our y equals 2. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I come your way next time, please and please be good.